Transformer and working principle. Definition. Transformer is a static device which is used to transfer the electric power from one circuit to other circuit by the process of mutual inductance at constant frequency. Construction. Transformer consists mainly three parts: primary winding, secondary winding, laminated core. Core is made up of silicon steel. Silicon steel is used in core to reduce the hysteresis loss. Silicon steel provide low reluctant path, so hysteresis loss reduces by using silicon steel. Laminated and of thin sheets to reduce the eddy current loss. Primary winding always remains connected with supply. Secondary windings always connected with load. Generally, copper is used for windings. To know about windings, which is primary winding and which is secondary winding, we shall have to open the frame. There are two types of transformer: step up transformer, step down transformer. On the basis of construction, core type, cell type. Step up transformer, number of turns of secondary windings remains large compared to primary winding. Step down transformer, number of turns in secondary winding remains less compared to primary winding. The parts of a transformer: what? Frame, transformer alloy, bushing, because relay, conservator tank, radiator, primary winding, core, explosion vent, breather, oil, breather, transformer body, dielectric oil, secondary winding. Electrical transformer work. So, primary winding of transformer connected with AC supply. Magnetic flux produces in primary winding. Produced flux circulate around the core. Secondary winding. When varying magnetic flux cuts the secondary winding, EMF induced in winding. From Faraday law of electromagnetic induction. Here, secondary winding behave as a stationary conductor. When varying flux cuts the winding, EMF induced. Secondary winding connected with load, so induced voltage supplied to the load. We give the supply in primary winding and voltage induces in secondary winding. This phenomenon is known as mutual induction. To increase the voltage, step up transformer is used. To reduce the voltage, step down transformer is used. The construction of a transformer. Here primary winding, secondary winding, primary winding connected with AC supply, AC, secondary winding connected with load. Here laminated core, silicon steel होती है, having high magnetic material. So the transformer completed. See you in the next video. Wish you all the very best.